Lockdown Automatic Dehumidifier Reviews. Compact dimensions. The whole contraption is about 9.25 inch by 6 inch by 4.5 inch in overall dimensions while weighing less than 2.46 pounds. Furthermore, the 500 milliliters massive capacity of the water tank ensures uninterrupted flow throughout the day. Versatile power specifications. The device directly plugs into your main power supply and runs on AC voltage. The power cable comes built in with us and plugs directly from the factory. Super convenient controls. With an automated humidity control feature, you will feel that this dehumidifier is working like magic. You will not need to manually set the temperature or their specifications always. Warranty. The manufacturers promise a 1-year service warranty after purchase.